Number two, the right another investigation of offense and inform that his right to remain silent and have counsel. Number three, the right against torture or violence, threats, or intimidation, or any other means which shapes the victim, for the right against being held secret, communicado, or and any simple form of solidarity action. Provide that that's excessively the right to due process, or the right to the right to be informed of his rights, the right to be informed of his of the nature and cause of the accusation against him. Number 10, the right to have a speedy, impartial, and public trial, the right to meet the witnesses face to face. Number 12, the right to have compulsory process to secure the attendance of those witnesses and the production of evidence in his behalf. Number 13, the right against self-incrimination. 14, the right against detention by reason of political the right against excessive fines, the right against 16, the right against the right against
5,
the right against
4,
the right against
3,
Cruel. Cruel.
the right against cruel, infliction of death penalty, except for the right against section 21, and I see the right no person shall be imprisoned by no person shall be imprisoned for and non-payment of all tax. 21. The right against public property and the right to appeal in criminal cases. Section 20 is no ex post facto or